What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here, and today I just want to give you a 5-minute tool hack. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. Alright guys, this may look like some kind of weird science experiment, but it's going to solve a problem that I've been plagued with for a little while. These Ryobi batteries. Ryobi, I use their products quite a bit, but their batteries sometimes die and I could never figure out why. This battery I deemed dead. It's been sitting out on my porch for a year and a half just because I was going to recycle it, be responsible and not just throw it in the trash. And I thought it was completely dead, but as you can see it's now charging and I want to show you how. I guess a common problem with these Ryobi batteries is they seem to die, and when you plug it in the charger it just blinks red and that means it's defective. These aren't actually defective. What actually happens, from doing some research I found out that if this gets below a certain voltage, if it gets really low, like 0 to 5 volts, it won't even register. A lot of times the individual cells in the battery will be 5 volts, but it won't travel up to reach this part, so this will still say 0 even though these are at 5. They'll get below a certain voltage and it won't let you charge it, and that's nothing wrong with how it's set up. I mean, that's a fail-safe they set up within the charger, so it doesn't have any risk of blowing up or anything. But if you let these things get low, you think it's defective, and if you're out of the warranty period, you're pretty screwed. Alright, as you guys can see, we got this battery working here. So let's unplug this one, and we will take this bigger one here. We'll take this bigger battery and I'll show you how it's defective. Plug it in and it just keeps blinking red. Let me start off by saying, if your Ryobi battery has a warranty on it still, just try to go and get the warranty, because if you screw this up, this will void the warranty, so you definitely don't want to do that. You're going to need one of these T10 security bit screwdrivers. Security bit, it's just like a normal Torx bit, except it has a little pin in the center, so you have to have one of these Torx bits with the hole in the center, so that way you can unscrew all 5 Torx bits. Alright, once you get all the screws out, these you just push in the sides and these literally pop off. They can be a little stubborn. It just comes off like this. Every now and then this little top part will actually kind of stick in there. You just kind of pry it down with a screwdriver or a knife and it pops right off. This is what the inside of your Ryobi battery looks like. So where your red wire goes in, obviously that's your positive, and over here is your negative. Let me show you on this other battery too. On this other battery, same thing, red positive, nothing is the negative. And that's really important. Let me show you why. Here I have a little Trickle charger. What I did was, on this end I attached a black cable, and to the red end I attached a red cable. What we're going to do is take the positive wire, put it on the positive part of the battery, negative wire, and put it on the negative part of the battery. And we're basically going to give some more juice to it so it has enough so the charger will recognize it again and charge it. Now you probably only want to keep this on for 30 seconds or so, depending on your Trickle charger. Black negative, red positive, and just hold it on for a few seconds. So red on this positive, black to this negative. So red positive, black negative. Let it charge up. And it says charge. Alright guys, so I wasn't able to get the P191 battery charge, but I was able to get the P102 smaller battery charge, so this one might have been too far gone. Really seemed to get that one all charged up, kicked it out of its funk. Now this may not be the perfect or ideal fix, but it saves me 40 bucks. The smaller batteries are 40 bucks. I think the bigger ones are like 80 or more. So that just saved me 40 bucks. A little bit of tinkering around and I got it to work again. I'm gonna keep messing around with that bigger battery, see if I can get it to work on that one as well. Just a quick little 5-minute hack for you guys. If you try it out, let me know if it works for you. As always guys, stay bearded, stay jeepin'. I'm out.